Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel Tech256. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you on how this bulb camera works, as you can see. So let me plug it out and I give you a review about it. So guys, this is a V380 Wi-Fi Panorama IP bulb camera. As you can see, it is perfect for baby monitoring and home security and business security as well. It is a perfect tool you can use. So let me give you a full review about this Wi-Fi bulb camera. So it has a 360 degrees fisheye lens with a panoramic view. I'll be able to show you that how it captures everything, and it is in HD 1080 high resolution. Let me connect to it to give you its best features. So you just have to get your Android phone and then you head to the Play Store and then you search for the V380 Pro, this one right here. So this app it controls this bulb camera. Okay, so let us wait for it to download real quick. So now it is installing. So before plugging this bulb camera in the socket, first open the app and then you scan this QR code. So let me open the app. So now there are two ways we can connect to this bulb camera. So this is step number one on how to connect to this bulb camera, is by using its Wi-Fi, but you can only access it when you're within its range. So for example, if you set up this bulb camera at your workplace or at home, you can access the real-time event on the bulb camera when you're within its range, its Wi-Fi range. So let me show you that. Just click on add device, click on allow, then you scan the QR code. Okay, again you click on 4G smart camera, again you scan the QR code. So now it is added. Now click on confirm. You just click anywhere, if it is at home, living room, anywhere, just click that. So let me click on home and then click on finish. You can either save the QR code if you want to. Then this is our camera, so it's not yet connected. Let me go ahead and plug it in. Okay, so this is the bulb socket. I'm going to plug it in. So it is done. Let me go ahead and turn on the switch. So this is the switch. Let me go ahead and switch it on. So it is on.
System is starting. System startup completed. Access point preparing. Access point ready.
So the bulb camera is on right now. Just switch on the Wi-Fi. Go to the settings in Wi-Fi and turn on the Wi-Fi. You'll be able to see it. That is it. You connect. So it is connected right there. Then head to the app. So as you can see, it is right there. Just click on play. You put your password, click on confirm. Then there it is, as you can see, up right there. Yeah. So this is step number 2 on how to connect to this bulb camera, and it is what I would recommend you to use. So in case you are that person who moves a lot and you'd like to know what is happening at home, you might be at work but you'd like to know what is happening at home. So you need this MiFi to connect this bulb camera to this MiFi. So if you are at work and you'd like to know what is happening at home, it is easy. You just have to use the app, and you know what is happening at home in case you are too far from home and you'd like to know what is happening. So right now we are connected to our camera right there. That is me. So let me show you what to do in case you're that person who moves a lot and you'd like to know what is happening at home. So what you need to do, you need that MiFi. Then here you click back, and then you click here. You go to the settings, you go to network, then you click on Wi-Fi station mode. Then you select this MiFi, you select it from here. So our bulb camera will connect to this MiFi. So even if we are too far from home, we shall be able to access the bulb camera, what is happening at home. So let me put the password. So I'm done putting the password. You click on save.
Wi-Fi connecting.
So it will connect to the MiFi, as you can hear.
Wi-Fi connected.
So now it is connected, and you'll be able to access wherever you are. Even if you are in town, you'll be able to know what is happening at home. Yeah, just that on your phone you have to be with an active internet connection as well. Yeah, so that is it. So it has a speaker behind it, and it is a two-way communication audio, talk and listen, using the app on your phone. I will be able to show you that. You can speak through the app, and then this bulb camera will transfer your voice through this speaker, and you can as well listen to the environment. Yeah, it has a microphone within it. So let me show you that. So you can access the features right here. You can speak from here. First allow that. Hello. 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 As you have heard, that's how it works, and you can as well listen to the surroundings. Just click on this. It can listen to everything outside. As you can see, you can hear everything. That's my dog right there. Yeah, you can see it on the camera as well. So as you can see, it is dark outside, and I want to show you the amazing night vision this bulb camera has and its powerful lights. So let me go ahead and turn on the lights. You can see the peak is in HD form. So let me go ahead and show you the powerful light outside. It's powerful right here. You can see everything clearly. Yeah, Okay, so let me go closer to it. There it is. Now let me go ahead and turn off the light, and you can see that it hasn't yet turned on the night vision. So let me show you how you can turn on the night vision. Just head to the image settings, and then head to black and white. Automatically it will go in the night vision mode. You can see that. So it is in the night vision. Let me go closer to it. So that's how the night vision looks like, the infrared. So that's how the night vision looks like, the infrared. Okay, so let me go ahead and turn on the lights. So the lights are turned on, but still in the night vision mode. It will see everything clearly. So as you can see me right there, that's me walking, and I want to show you everything. Let me turn off the night vision to color. So that is me in green. As you can see, everything is in HD. You see everything clearly. Okay, so that's how it works during the night time. You see everything clear. Yeah. So it also has this SD card slot, whereby it can support up to 128 GB of memory card storage. Yeah, you can put the SD card from here, the memory card, and you can record from here on the phone. You click on record. All the saved data will be on the memory card. You can as well just use your phone to record. The saved data will be on your phone gallery. So you just have to use this slot to record stuff on the memory card.